Hey, hello folks. Today we are going to discuss about self-confidence and self-esteem. So what is self-confidence? Self-confidence actually emerges from the fact that whether you really believe in your abilities or not. Just imagine in your lifetime you would have actually seen carpenter coming to your house or an electrician coming to your house. Have you ever felt that they don't know the skill that they possess? Hardly ever, right? And why does that happen? That's because of the self-confidence that they carry. Just imagine that with such limited level of education, if their self-confidence can be so high, then nothing actually prevents an educated person to have a lower self-confidence. And on the contrary, what is self-esteem? Self-esteem actually is the value that one gives to himself or herself. How much do you love yourself? Do you live life the way you have to really lead? And what do I mean by that? Do you often just get into comparisons with others and feel that you are poorer compared to others? Well, that's exactly what is negative self-esteem. When you start to love yourself, you exhibit similar behavior to others, and that's when you start to attract love as well. Be it in your workplace, be it in your own home, or be it in your social circles. So self-esteem is one of the big differentiator when it comes to a success determinant. Someone who has high self-esteem about oneself, which means that person believes that he or she can do it. And that's when the person starts to build his or her own self-confidence. A lot of times people use these two terms interchangeably. Although the meaning of both are different, they carry different notions. And mind you, both of these are so important and critical determinants of success from a human angle perspective. Every organization wants their employees to have self-confidence and obviously higher self-esteem. Every time that we learn a new skill or keep developing ourselves, what is it that we are doing? We are building our own self-confidence. So a lot of times it is assumed that people who have high confidence, they also have high self-esteem. That may not really be the case. A lot of times people might have high self-confidence because of the abilities that they believe in themselves, but they may not have high self-esteem. And why does that happen? Because people think that they are not good as compared to others. And that's one of the biggest block. It's more like a self-limiting belief that individuals keep into themselves, and that becomes a barrier to their own success. So what are some of the areas in which one could really improve and better their own self-confidence? Well, there are numerous areas. For example, if one is doing an online course or online program and one achieves good grades, what happens? It's a boost to one's self-confidence. If one has to prepare a speech and present a speech in front of 1,000 audience, and if one has been able to present it successfully, what happens? Boost in self-confidence. But then just imagine, for that to happen, one obviously has to have a high self-esteem, because to present in front of 1,000 audience, one has to believe that yes, I am capable, I love myself, I can do it. And if one believes that he or she can do it, definitely he or she can do it. So guys, believe in yourself, keep learning, keep evolving, keep embracing the change and the evolving world that we all live in. And this change will make you a change maker for the future ahead. I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Cheers. Bye.